Craving a crispy, zero-carb waffle made with nothing but animal-based ingredients? I'm about to show you exactly how to make carnivore chaffles. A strict 100% carnivore recipe with no plants, no fillers, and absolutely no compromise. If you're on a low-carb journey, this is the ultimate hack to keep things delicious and simple. Like Dr. Ken Berry says, eat what your ancestors could hunt or fish, not harvest from a box. Let's dive in. First things first, grab a block of hard cheese. Cheddar or mozzarella both work great. Pop it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Why? This little trick makes the cheese firmer and way easier to shred into finer pieces, which is the secret to getting that signature Chaffle crunch. No starches, no fillers, just pure cheese power. Once your cheese is chilled, shred up about half a cup. Trust me, skip the pre-shredded stuff at the store. Those bags usually sneak in starches or anti-caking agents, and we're keeping it pure animal-based here. Dr. Shawn Baker says it best: cheese, eggs, and meat form the core of human nutrition. Now let's bring it all together. Crack one large egg into a small bowl and beat it well. Add your freshly shredded cheese, and if you want extra crunch, toss in a tablespoon of crushed pork rinds. Totally carnivore, totally optional. Give it all a good stir until you get a thick, cheesy mixture. On to the next step, preheat your mini waffle maker. If you want to make life easier, brush the inside with bacon grease or beef tallow. Forget seed oils or sprays. The flavor from real animal fat is unbeatable and keeps things sticking free. Here's where the magic happens. Spoon half your cheesy egg mixture into the hot waffle iron right in the center. Close the lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't peek early. Patience is key if you want that golden brown crunchy outside. When the timer's up, lift it out carefully and repeat with the rest of your mix. Now don't skip this part. Let your chaffles rest for a minute or two on a paper towel or wire rack. This gives them that extra crisp factor we all love. Serve them plain, top with steak and eggs, or use them as a low-carb bun for burgers. Endless possibilities, all carnivore approved. To wrap it up, let me leave you with this. Dr. Ken Berry says, when you eat fatty meat and eggs, your body heals, period. Carnivore chaffles are quick, crunchy, and absolutely guilt-free. Hit the like button, subscribe for more strict carnivore recipes, and drop a comment if you're adding these chaffles to your weekly meal prep. See you next time.